Hello, hello, hello. Just doing my skincare. While I fix my stuff kasi di ba sobrang kalat. Shame on me. Sobrang kalat. Kasi dire-diretso yung mga ganap this holiday season. And nag-rehearse din ako today for Drag in the South tomorrow. And sobrang sakit ng katawan ko, as in. So, you're in for a treat tomorrow. Kasi tomorrow, it's gonna be bonkers tomorrow, baby girl. Baby girl, it's gonna be bonkers tomorrow. I'm gonna do my, I'll probably do the, toner first. And then I'll do the mask. See you guys tomorrow. I-ready nyo na yung mga videos nyo. Kasi sure na ako magte-trending ulit to. Bigyan nyo na lang ako ng copy, guys. Hindi na ako kumuha ng social media team, ha. Kasi mapagkakatiwalaan ko naman kayong lahat eh. Mag-send na lang kayo ng Google Drive link after the performance, okay? Para masama sa cut. Ang dami kong pasasweldohin this month. As in, wait na. Mga kalat sa likod. Isin na. Nalidistract ako. Kasi nag-impaka na rin kami for Drag in the South. So, ayan, nakabuyang-yang pa ang aming mga maleta. But yeah, I'm really, really excited for tomorrow. Laneige sleeping mask. Alam mo, dapat dati ko pa pala ginagawa to, no? Yung mga skincare. Para nakikita nyo yung journey ng skin ko. Kasi ngayon, guys, as in, OA siya sa ganda. Like, ito yung pinakamagandang state ng skin ko ever. Kahit ako nagugulat ako. Kasi, guys, wala akong makeup ngayon, no? Tapos ang dami kong ilaw. So, kitang-kita talaga yung balat ko. As in, I'm not sure if it's the color of my shirt because blue is, like, one of my power colors. Or I don't know. Pero, ayan. Medyo wala pa akong tulog this Christmas season kasi ako ang nag-host dito sa bahay. So, I don't know what's going on. But, girl, she is gorgeous. So, ang aking facial wash is the La Mer facial wash. And then, toner will go with this one. The Fenty Fat Water. And then, ito galing to sa mga pinadala niyo. Ako, I just use random face masks. And then just read the benefits na ano. So tonight, we're gonna do revitalizing. #revitalizing. Kasi natapos ang ang Christmas season na haggard ang head of household. So mag-revitalize tayo ng skin. Okay. What's my cleanser? It's the La Mer facial cleanser. There's only one facial cleanser sa La Mer, so yun siya. Merry Christmas, by the way, everybody. So it's gonna leave this on for about 10 minutes. Yes, 10 minutes. And then while we're doing that, I'm gonna clean my station and we can do some Q&A. Di ba, naging bonding na natin to. Parang gabi-gabi nyo ako nakikita nag-i-skincare. Ibig sabihin, hindi ko kayo ini-etchos-etchos sa mga sa mga photos ko. Kasi tignan nyo, ang ganda-ganda ko ngayon, guys. Ngayon lang ako nagmamayabang na ganito kasi before talagang alam niyo naman yung itsura ng skin ko before. Earlier this year actually. 'Di ba? So, ayun. Gumanda naman siya. Thanks be to La Mer. Mostly La Mer talaga yung gamit ko. And, syempre, Lift Aesthetic Clinic. Talagang pinasabugan nila yung skin ko talaga this year. Di ba? At hindi ko alam kung kanino nga galing tong mga masks na to. Sa inyo rin galing to eh. Wait, I'm just gonna open the candle. Ipakita ko na rin yung cleanser. Ito yung cleanser ko, guys. La Mer. Energizing Gel Cleanser. Day, night, tanghali, kung ano pa yan. Yan ang aking gamit. Para pasabog ang ating ano. Alam niyo naman si Binibining Kandila. Laging nagkakandila. Anong favorite scents ko sa Diptyque? Another 34 Bay and Mimosa. And then this one, I like it kapag nag-skincare kasi ang fresh, amoy bagong ligo. Mostly, ayoko ng mga woody scents. Also, asan yung lotion? May lotion na tayo. Ay, ano dito? Where is she? Nasa kabila. Nasa closet ko kasi inibaki ko kanina eh. Hindi ko pa siya natatanggal. She's here. Did you watch MMFF na? Not yet po. Kasi mahirap dahil marami pang tao sa malls. Do you watch Heated Rivalry? No, I haven't seen it. But I've been seeing a lot of clips sa Twitter, but I just don't have the time for it right now. Ang pinapanood ko is Emily in Paris season 4? 4 na ba? Season 4 na ata. Ito ang aking lotion. St. Ives na soothing. Favorite ko yung oatmeal and shea butter. Anything shea butter, I love it for my body, as in kahit as simple as the one sa Body Shop, ganon. Pero mostly I love, wait, tataas ko muna baka makita niyo ako. Ayan. Mostly I love shea butter sa aking skin. Ever since college pa lang ako, shea butter na yung gamit ko sa skin ko. End live, Kiana. Hindi mag-end live kasi hindi maingay yung umuya yung mga tao dito. Walang kambing dito. Tsaka walang wrong spelling na mag-tweet. Kulang-kulang yung vowels. Wala bang vowels yung keyboard ng phone mo? Magpalit ka na ng phone. Tapos tatlo yung punctuation mark. Ganun ba sa CDO? pa tayo sa neck area. Guys, na-timeran nyo ba yung ano ko, yung face mask? Na-timer nyo ba? Kasi gamit ko yung phone ko eh. Hindi ako makapag-timer eh. Kukulit nyo kasi. Wala pang 10 minutes. Okay. Very good. Guys, alam nyo, yung blush ng BLK, sobrang ganda. As in, this one, yung Coffee Run, yung toasted. Sobrang toasted niya. Bagay na bagay siya sa skin ko. And nag-blend well siya with my contour. So, update lang kasi I've been using it almost every day since I got it last Christmas Eve. Kailangan ko na ng bagong makeup organizer. Pang everyday. Kailangan ko bumili. Kasi walang time And yung Makeup by Mario na ang tagal dumating. Shade 380 ako. Sobrang hirap hanapin nito as in. Even sa mga stores. Kaya hindi rin ako nakabili nung nag-Australia kasi wala siya yung shade sa stores. Kasi sobrang neutral niya kasi sa skin. Although medyo pumuti ako ng konti kasi hindi ako naglalabas-labas recently. So hindi ako masyado naaarawan, I guess. Ba't bibig mo lang po gumagalaw? Paano ka ba mag-face mask? Gumaganyan-ganyan ka? Ha? Hindi naman, di ba? Edi nasira yung face mask ko kapag ganun ako gumalaw, di ba? Nasira pa tuloy. Any advice for sweetie girls? Anong sweet? Sweaty girls. Sweetie girls. Alam nyo guys, hindi ko alam. Kasi hindi talaga ako pawisin as a person. As in, kapag nagdadrag ako, usually, pag sobrang init lang talaga ako nagpapawis. Tsaka nagpapawis lang ako dito sa area na to. Sa loob ng wig. Loob lang ng wig. Yung ko. Ito. Ay, gusto mo umapok na yung makeup ko. Hindi na siya kasha. Guys, nakita nyo ba? Nag-comment ng Merry Christmas si Kerwin sa birthday Instagram story ko. Kinilig ako ng very, very hard. Very, very hard. As in. Guys, mayroon akong binabasa ngayon na bagong libro. Hindi siya bagong libro, pero mayroon akong bagong binabasa ngayon. Romance siya. Pero ang ganda niya, as in, itong selection, if you're reading this, nirecommend siya sa akin nung pinsan ko. And I've been reading it non-stop, as in. And what's good about this is, ang dami niyang volumes. Like, may loud, merong charis. Marami siyang parts. So, 5 parts ata. Hi Marina, what would you do when you so he said yes would go. I would have to be Jollibee. Kala niyo di ko kayang sabayan sa mga kamaguhan niyo. Mahina kayo, boy. Mahina kayo. Wala pa kayo sa kalingkingan ng panggagago ko. Bless kayo sa akin. Ay, ano ba yan? Teka lang. Isip ko. Guys, na-reuse ko yung mga paper bags. Na-reuse ko yung mga paper bags na binigay niya sa akin. So, even yung mga family ko, sabi ko kumuha na kayo ng paper bag dyan. Ah! 10 minutes na ba, guys? 10 minutes na. Okay, 10 minutes na daw. Okay na siya. Pwede na natin ilapit ang candle kasi tapos na tayo maglinis ng station. Guys, in fairness kay Miss Estee Lauder, ha? In fairness sa kanya, I'm starting to like her. Medyo nagiging acquaintance na kaming dalawa. Balitaan ko kayo soon kung anong epekto niya sa akin. Ay, nasa baba yung water ko. Teka nga, kunin ko yung water ko, guys. Ano? Ito yung pinakamakulit na live, no? Buong, lahat ng sulok ng bahay ko napuntahan na natin. Mariel, is my water there? Asan? Refill lang ako ng water. Anong title ng book, madam? Selection. Selection. Super glow up in person yesterday sa OBA. Pumarty lang kami nila Chris. Kasi parang slowly naging tradition na namin ni Chris na mag-OBAR during Christmas Day. Pero ano? Christmas night. Christmas night ba tawag doon? Gabi. Kasi hindi siya araw eh. Charis. Hindi siya umaga. Hiningal na ako. Di ba ako tapos mag-skincare? Ano ba yan? Ba't ganon? Okay. House tour? No, sorry. Alam nyo guys, na-realize ko this year, parang so the past few years, di ba, my life was an open book. Kaya medyo nag-stop na rin ako sa Life in Manila vlog. Kasi I realized na my life has been an open book, almost an open book. And I wanted to preserve a few, things in my life for me, my friends, my family, and those who know me, parang ganon, like on a personal level. On top of that, it also helped me na parang i-enjoy yung time ko, gets ba? Kasi before I was too concerned about making content, I'm too concerned about taking the right shots, ganyan, or the best IG stories, ganyan, the best vlogs, ganyan, the best sound bites, ganyan. Pero na-realize ko this year, parang gusto ko magpahinga pala this year at itoon sa sarili ang oras, no? Ayun, kaya hindi rin ako nakapag-vlog this year. I know I promised na mag-vlog ako. Trust me, ang dami kong footage. Pero there are certain parts of my life now that I wanted to keep for myself, my family, my friends, my close friends. Although you all are my friends, pero yung mga day-to-day life ko, and even like yung buhay ko talaga. Parang gusto ko siyang sarilinin muna at ako muna, ganoon. Marami na din ako mga na-share sa inyo, 'di ba? And kagaya nga nung sabi ko last time, 'di ba? Parang kayo yung pinaka low maintenance na fans, as in na parang kahit na hindi na rin ako nakakapag-update masyado dun sa broadcast channel, or like alam mo, this year I have fewer posts or like fewer stories na ganyan. Ayun, I wanted to I'm a very private person then, like yung life ko talaga, it's very private for some reason. I'm not the person talaga to share everything about my life. So, I enjoyed vlogging naman, my day-to-day life, ganon. Pero I'm also happy na, alam mo yun, kahit na wala yung aspect of me sharing, you know, everything to you guys. You're still there, and parang hindi siya pagkukulang sa akin. You know, hindi ako napapressure to share every bit of my life to you guys, which I really, really, really appreciate. And what I really, lagi kong sinasabi to sa mga tao, pag tinatanong nila ako, oh, kamusta kapag ka nasa labas ka and everything? Oh, nakakalabas ka pa ba? Ganyan, ganyan. To be honest, yes, ngayon, medyo mas nakakalabas-labas na ako ngayon ng maayos, no? Kasi parang I feel like, parang communication din siya eh. Parang I have to tell you what's comfortable sa akin and what's not. And, alam mo yun, para we both have, you know, good relationship, or like, alam mo yun, experience in the end. Kasi, awan ko, I respect people's space talaga. As in, kahit ang dami ko na nakakatrabaho ng mga journalista, talagang nahihiya pa rin ako magpa-picture, and alam mo yun, kahit nga kumausap or guluhin sila sa mga day-to-day life nila and everything. Pero kayo, parang, alam mo yun, sabi ko sa mga nagtatanong sa akin, especially this Christmas, as in, ang dami nagtatanong sa akin ng mga family members, o paano, pag lumalabas ko, or what can ganyan. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na sobrang sikat ko, or like, alam mo yun, sobrang big time ko, or like, alam mo yun, pagkakaguluhan ako sa mall, hindi naman ganon. Dumating lang talaga dun sa time na hindi rin ako makapag-grocery ng maayos, hindi ako makapag-shopping ng maayos, ganyan, hindi ako makapag-kakain ng maayos. Pero eventually, medyo dahil I started to voice out naman what's good or what's not for me and my family and my personal time. Ayun, in fairness naman, ngayon nakakalakad na ulit ako ng mag-isa, kaya ko nang lumarga ng mag-isa. And lagi ko sinasabi na I have the most respectful fans. Yung fans na, alam mo yun, yung mga fans talaga na kayo. Hindi yung mga fans na maingay lang online. Ganun. Pero kayo, like, alam mo yun, medyo, like, I love that my fans respect me and my personal space. Ayun. Kasi sobrang kalmado ko talaga as a person. And ayoko nai-stress. Well, lagi ako nai-stress. Kaya kailangan kalmado ako. Ayun. So, thank you guys for, like, even as simple as yung, alam mo yun, yung parang pag nasa party or like nasa labas, party ganyan. Kahit, di ba, parang, hindi na ako dinudumog. Ganun ba yun? Hindi na ako dinudumog. Like, I thank you for letting me enjoy, you know, a bit of my time out there. Yun lang. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you for letting me enjoy some of my time for myself. As in, like, I really appreciate it. Ayun. And also, part of the skincare is water. As in, if there is anything that I could advise, is to drink water. Like, lots of water. It's really about boundaries. I mean, boundaries, yes, but also I don't want to have that gap with you guys din naman, you know. It's mainly just, you know, letting me letting our, paano ba? Basta, it's not even about boundaries. Hindi naman siya, alam mo yun, parang, boundaries. Ayoko naman na magkaroon ng gap or something from you guys, diba? Distilled mineral alkaline. Meron bang ganun? Tubig sa amin, tubig lang eh. Iba ba yung kulay nung distilled tsaka nung alkaline? Congrats for producing the OG's night. Thank you so much, guys. We received nothing but good reviews for OG's night. Ask in respectful way. Yes, okay naman yun. Kasi, alam mo yun, merong times talaga na I'm not clocked in na. And ganito kasi yan guys, for me, like, sa sobrang lala ng energy na binibigay ko sa drag ko, as in, lalo na pag nasa stage ako or when I'm producing an event, paglabas ko ng stage, paglabas ko ng drag ko, steam off na ako. Like, ayoko na. Ganun, gusto ko na munang kumawala. Kasi ubus na ako sa drag ko that night. Parang ganun, gets ba? Parang ubos na yung energy ko for putting out a great show for you guys. So, ganon. Tapos featured ng Philippine Star at ABS-CBN. Yes! 3 weeks notice sa OG's night too. 3 weeks notice before ticket selling or before the show? How do you stay energized throughout your shows and gigs? I don't drink any energy drinks anymore. I don't drink any energy supplements also. But I eat a lot during the day. Not a lot, but like I eat like properly. I drink a lot of water. I drink coffee, yes. And then also like pacing my energy. Kasi like for example, when I'm producing a show, diba? What people don't see is I clock in very early. So usually kapag kami event kami ng 7 p.m., 7 a.m. pa lang or 6 a.m. nagsiset up na yung team ko. So kailangan gising na ako noon kahit wala pa ako sa venue, diba? Kasi kailangan ko mag-approve ng mga placement ng ganito, ganyan-ganyan. And on top of that, inaayos pa namin lahat ng media team kasi ako rin yung creative director, diba? So, lahat na makikita nyo sa screen, everything, lahat, even yung simpleng oras ng pagkakabit, the bracelet, yung flow of foot traffic, lahat dumadaan sa akin. With the help of sila Carlos, sila Ace, sila Banjo, sila Jade, ayan. And then I would normally go in sa venue at 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. So, 7 a.m. pa lang nagpa-prepare na din ako kasi, have to travel pa. We have to pack our stuff pa, ganyan. Yeah, I come in very early. Kasi, gusto ko na ayoko yung utos-utos lang. Ayoko yung dadating ready na lahat. Gusto ko I'm part of, the process. Wait, kailangan ko yun. Yeah, I like being part of the process kasi that's where I find joy in producing. Kaya naman ako nag-produce kasi gusto ko talaga siya eh. Hindi dahil, I wanna earn money. Of course, kasama yun. Pero on top of that, talagang it's because it's one thing that I love to do ever since naman. Producing. So, ayun. And then, so, 9 a.m., 10 a.m., nasa venue na ako. Mag-start na ako mag-ilaw, like mag-direct ng ilaw with my lighting directors and lighting, ayun. Ito, naglalagay lang ako ng coat sa lashes ko. Kasi nagpapaperm ako ng lashes, diba? Parang June lang ako magpaperm ng lashes eh. And then, yung mga paulit na tanong dyan siguro hanggang doon, nakaupo lang naman ako doon, although talagang nakakaubos talaga siya ng utak. yung pagdidirect ng staging and everything. And then, ano pa ba? Siyempre, I will also have to rehearse my own numbers, ganyan, everything. Make sure na even yung lightings for other girls or other performers, maayos, ganyan. And then mag-run down kami ng show. And then, kapag nag-make up na ako, doon na ako mag-start mag-cool down ulit. Regain all the energy na naubos. Or like, you know, lahat ng brains na naubos. And then, ayun. Pero all throughout the day, kahit na nakadrag ako or like kahit nag-makeup ako, talagang producer duties pa rin talaga. I might have to start producing shows the next time na wala ako sa cast para hands-on talaga ako sa production. Pero, yeah, yun lang naman yung struggle talaga sa part ko kasi I'm also part of, you know, the cast. So, being part of the cast and being part of the production are two different things and mahirap siyang gawin talaga. Kabatch mo ba si Joy Barcoma? No, I think she's lower batch than me. Parang siya at sila, yung batch nila yung sumunod sa batch ko. If I'm not mistaken. Pero si Joy talagang, ano pa lang kami, college pa lang kami, contesera na siya. Ang sarap ng tubig. Okay, anyways, hindi na ako mag-sleeping mask. Pero ito yung sleeping mask ko. Yung Laneige na water sleeping mask. Very basic lang. And then, I leave it on. This one, I leave it on. And then, I wash it off the next morning. Pero ganun lang ka-basic yung aking nighttime routine. Alam nyo na yan, guys. Mag-acting ka na. I don't know. Na-try ko mag-acting sa Wizard of Oz, yes. Pero medyo comedy kasi yun. So, hindi ko pa na-try yung serious acting talaga. I don't know. Mahina ako mag-memorize kasi ng mga lines and everything. Ganda ng damit. Pantulog lang to. Do you wash your face with water in the morning? Yes. I mean, water with facial cleanser. Discipline level mo pagdating sa staff. What do you mean? Mag-produce ako ng pelikula. Naku, ayoko. Retry ko na yan nung college. Mahirap, dear. And then, nag-try naman ako like last year ba yun? Or the past few years. Mag-direct ng mga music videos. Mga music videos ko, ganyan. And for other people as well. Pero, pagod. Do you still drink soft drinks? Of course. Nagde-drink pa rin ako ng soft drinks. Pero, very, ano lang siya, hindi everyday ganun or not too often. But I drink soda. Do you have plans for your music career next year? Yes, I plan to release more music. Pero siguro wala ng music video kasi nakakapagod ng music video. Charot. You ate up Wizard of Oz so much. I'm missing you, as Glinda. Thank you. What's your moisturizer? It's La Mer. It's kind of pricey, but it's worth it. Ito yung moisturizer ko. Daily moisturizer and then nighttime moisturizer. And then you pair it with the Fenty Skin Fat Water toner serum. Ito yung aking combination now. Kasi sometimes I alternate. Minsan wala ako nitong night serum. Minsan nagwa-water sleeping mask ako. Everything mostly talagang hydrating and ano mo yun. Nakaka-drain po ba ng sobra yung pag-produce ng mga video? Like, draining in terms of like, depende kung gaano kadami yung work, of course. And gaano ka-challenging yung editing and stuff. But for the most part, I enjoy it. And yun yung buhay ko for like the past 5 years before I went into drag. 5 years ba? Oo, 5 years ata. Before. Hindi. Well, 5 years. Almost 5 years. Or technically, parang 9 years, 10 years. Kasama yung college life. Kasi yun naman talaga yung life ko ever since. So, I like doing it. When do you use sleeping mask? Mostly every other day, yung sleeping mask. But if I feel very generous, kasi pagising ko talaga, ang ganda-ganda ng skin ko. And this one kasi ano lang siya, parang very light lang siya and it's water yung ano niya, like walang anything, like ito lang siya, oh guys, paubos na rin siya, so kailangan ko nang bumili. Sometimes I use it every night para paggising ko ang ganda-ganda ng skin ko, especially kapag ka nagda-drag ako. Pag nag-drag ako or like feeling ko sobrang pagod na pagod ko that day, mag-sleeping mask ako, lahat ipapamper ko yung skin ko. Laneige on top. Yes, ito yung aking mga favorite Laneige products. Sleeping mask. Ito kahit morning ginagamit ko siya. Para parang nabababad yung lips ko. Kunyari, pag wala namang gagawin that day, nasa bahay lang ako, mag-sleeping mask pa rin ako. Strict ka ba sa staff mo? Yes. Sobrang strict ko sa staff ko, as in. Medyo scary ako as a boss. Not a boss, pero as a producer, as a director, ganun. Medyo strict ako sa staff ko. Cause I know their potential, ganun. And kasi nagsimula kasi ako as a PA before, di ba? Nag-start ako sa PA, nag-researcher din ako. So I work my way to the top, gano'n. So alam ko lahat, bawat butas ng karayom, alam ko kung meron bang mga gagawin, ano yung mga kailangan gawin, ano yung pwedeng mga remedyo, ganyan. So, like for example, kunyari meron akong paano pag ganito, ganyan. Wala or something, or ang sagot is wala po or hindi po kaya. Talaga, hindi kaya. Paano pag ganito? Paano pag ganyan? Ganon. Yeah, ganon. Very, ako, very strict and very, very helpful din naman ako. I feel like. Tanungin natin sila Carlo. Tapos nag-tell all sila Carlo, no? Ay, hindi po siya ganyan. Masama po yung ugali niya talaga. Charis. What's my nail color? It's like wine red, pero hindi siya, dapat initially wine red dapat, pero parang ginawa niyang parang medyo brownish red, so maroon. Hindi rin siya maroon kasi wala siyang purple tones eh. Well, they're kinda, pero mas brownish red, ewan ko. Anyways, I have to go. I have to sleep because I have to prepare for Drag in the South. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure na maraming memory yung nyo kasi panigurado sa last na naman nila ako ilalagay pag-perform. So, wag nyo nang videohan yung other girls. Charis! See ya! Goodbye! Happy birthday, Jesus!